Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I have an amazing and unique trick for you, and in this video, I will be showing you how you can fix your Android phone or any device speaker. If your speaker is faulty or if you have issues with your phone speaker, then this video is just for you. I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to fix your phone speaker. Please, you just have to watch this video without skipping for better understanding. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here today, we have to open our browser. Google Chrome is recommended, though you can be able to use any browser. Alright, guys, as you can see, we have opened our browser. So the next thing we're going to be doing here, you have to click on this search or type URL. So here you click on it like this, and here you have to search for fix my speaker. Fix my speaker. You have to search for this word, fix my speaker. So it will be coming up like this. Here we have many websites, but not all works. So with this website today that I will be showing you, this is the particular website I will be showing you on how you can fix your speaker. You click on it. With this website, guys, I will be showing you a magic today which you can be able to use to fix your phone speaker. So guys, it will be coming up like this, and guys, as you can see how it works, you have dropped your phone in the toilet, sink or pool. When water gets into your phone speaker, enclosure, the sound becomes moved. Leaving any type of flood in your speaker can cause serious damage when it dries out. It works just like the Apple Watch built-in water injection feature. It plays a specific tune that generates sound waves which causes the water to be ejected. So today with this website, I will show you the magic on how you can be able to do that. But guys, please, before I show you this magic, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you have been visiting our channel and you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press on the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of videos, you will be the first person to be notified. Alright guys, this is the interface of this website. It is a very simple website. You don't even need to sign up, you don't need to log in. What you're going to be doing here, you just have to click on this icon. Click on it like this. So guys, there's a sound. So guys, with this sound, you have to leave this sound for at least 1 minute, and you have to make sure that you turn on your volume. You have to make sure that you turn on your volume like this. So guys, as you can see, you have to leave it until it has finished by itself, or you have to leave it for at least 1 minute. You have to leave it for at least 1 minute. With this trick, you can be able to fix your phone speaker. With this trick, you can be able to fix your phone speaker if it has issue, or if it has damage, or if it falls down inside water. So guys, please, if you found this video to be helpful to you, like this video and comment. Don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.